তাদের পথ চলা শুরু করেছে জীবনে। আর সেই পথ চলায় অনুপ্রাণিত যারা, আমরা মুম্বাইবাসী সকলে, আমরা সকলে এইভাবেই অনুপ্রাণিত হতে থাকি আগামী দিনেও। আমাদের পরবর্তী নিবেদন, Adaptation of Tagore in Bollywood, presenting by Shinjini Odissi Dance Academy.
এখানটা দাঁড়াও। ওই এই যে
Adaptation of Tagore in Bollywood, and the dance compositions and choreography done by Nritya Shri Srimati Nilanjana Mukherjee. Tagore has touched upon a variety of human emotions, be it joy, sorrow, loss, love, and even natural elements. Hence, each of his songs is very pertinent to be used in a variety of situations. Not just Bollywood movies, his songs can be felt, heard, and act as a blazing not only human soul, but nature and creatures as well. Fule Fule and Piu Pule.
The script has been narrated by Dr. Orkodev Bhattacharya.
And the participants are Nilakshi Nath, Apurva Banerjee, Shriyashri Boitto, Ritisha Ghosh,
Arushi Roy, Srinika Das, Anavi Das, Udita Banerjee,
Suchitra Chatterjee, Debadrita Ghosh, Nayamika Mukherjee, Adya Agarwal, Sanskriti Devnath, Debangi Roy, and Bianca Banerjee.
জানি কিসে